Today, we're going to read about baby pigs. The word pig is spelled P-I-G. Can you say pig? Woohoo! I can't wait to learn about baby pigs. Let's start reading.
Baby pigs. Piglets. Baby pigs are called piglets. They live on farms.
What sound do you think a piglet makes? Tap it to find out. Oink, oink.
Life with the litter. Piglets are born in litters. Each litter has 9 to 15 babies. Newborn piglets huddle together. They sleep in a pile to keep warm. Piglets drink mom's milk together. Each has its own spot to nurse.
What color are the piglets?
Pink.
That's right. The piglets are pink.
Playful piglets. Piglets love to play. Brothers and sisters chase one another.
How many pigs are playing? Tap each one.
1, 2.
There are 2 pigs playing.
Sometimes they play with piglets from other litters. Then the piglets roll in the mud to cool off. What fun!
Do you ever get messy while you're playing? I know I do. Thanks for reading with me.